Hello friends and welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today we are talking about OpenAI's new AI robot, Figure 2. NVIDIA unveils groundbreaking technology for next-level robot dexterity, while OpenAI-backed Figure reveals its latest Figure 2 robot, but not for the reasons you'd expect. Figure 2 teaser highlights the sophisticated design of their number 2 android, featuring intricate joints, a flexible mesh body, and torque ratings up to 150 Nm. The robot also boasts a range of motion up to 195 degrees, showcasing its exceptional flexibility and agility. Next, the video showcases Figure's redesigned robot foot, which can now fit into a shoe and rotate to achieve human-like movement. Textured bumps on the sole enhance traction, ensuring stability across various surfaces. Additionally, the robot's new actuators are impressive. The A2 actuator provides 50 Nm of torque with a 48-degree range, while the L1 and L4 actuators deliver 150 Nm of torque with ranges of 195 degrees and 135 degrees, respectively. Furthermore, the symmetrical leg design simplifies the robot's manufacturing process through advanced software adaptability. Perhaps most impressive are Figure 2's incredibly realistic hands, which now feature rubberized grip bumps, varying finger lengths, and fully opposable thumbs, showcasing remarkable skill and speed. These hexagonal 3D printed structures enhance safety by preventing pinch points during human-robot interactions. The video also revealed the Figure 2's head, which features a display for battery life and intent communication lights. Additionally, the neck now has a finished mesh material to enhance human-like mobility. Meanwhile, NVIDIA showcased breakthroughs in humanoid task execution by utilizing Apple's Vision Pro headset to gather more realistic training data. This innovative approach bridges the gap between simulation and the real world, enabling robots to perform various everyday tasks. To support this, NVIDIA recently updated its AI platform for developing humanoid robots, known as Project Groot. However, a major obstacle in this field has been the scarcity of high-quality training data. NVIDIA's solution now combines human-generated data with synthetic data to create a more robust dataset for training robots. But that's just the beginning, because to further accelerate humanoid advances, the convergence of cutting-edge robotics from Figure and NVIDIA's groundbreaking advancements is propelling us toward a future where humanoid robots seamlessly integrate into our lives. From Figure 2's intricate design to NVIDIA's data-driven approach, we are witnessing a remarkable leap in dexterity, safety, and human-like mobility. So, that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.